Think insulin only comes from your pancreas? Surprise! Your brain makes its own insulin too. Yup, right inside your head. For years, people thought any insulin in the brain just leaked in from the blood. But newer science tools showed something wild. The brain isn't a sponge, it's a smart factory. Different brain areas can make insulin for different jobs. So what does brain insulin do? First, remember what insulin is. It's a tiny helper that tells cells, hey, there's energy here, use it. In your body, insulin helps control blood sugar. In your brain, insulin acts more like a coach for your nerve cells. It helps them talk to each other, make and fix connections, and save energy for later. That keeps your thinking sharp. Some special brain cells make insulin when sugar levels go up, kind of like mini versions of the pancreas. That may help with learning and memory, because messages between neurons need steady energy. Other cells in the smell center also make insulin, which might help your brain pay attention to important smells like food or smoke. The hypothalamus, a tiny control room deep in your brain, uses insulin to manage growth, hunger, and energy. When mice felt a lot of stress, certain hypothalamus cells made less insulin. The mice didn't grow as much because their growth hormones dropped. Stress didn't just make them cranky, it changed their bodies. That's a big hint that feelings and health are linked inside the brain. There's also the choroid plexus, a brain part that makes the clear fluid that bathes your brain. When scientists changed insulin levels there in mice, the animals' hunger pathways in the hypothalamus got rewired. Translation: brain insulin helped flip appetite circuits, like turning a dial up or down. Some insulin-making neurons in the back of the brain even told the body to eat less, a built-in slow down button. Here's another twist. Brain insulin doesn't seem to lower blood sugar the way pancreas insulin does. It mostly helps the brain stay healthy. That matters for diseases that affect memory, like Alzheimer's. In those brains, cells can become insulin-resistant, which means they stop listening to insulin's helpful signals. Early studies in people show that a gentle spray of insulin into the nose, so it reaches the brain, might help some folks think a little clearer. It's not a magic fix, and scientists are still testing it, but it's a real clue. Important note: more brain insulin isn't always better. In some cases, especially for women, higher insulin in brain fluid was linked to worse thinking. Biology is about balance. Right place, right time, right amount. So what's the takeaway? Your brain isn't just using insulin from your body, it can make its own, and that can shape hunger, growth, stress responses, and memory. That's a big, brain-shaking update to old science. If you want more videos like this, hit like and subscribe, and tell me in the comments, should we call Alzheimer's type 3 diabetes, or is that too simple for a very smart brain?